The sugar factory in Carlow, the largest of the company's 3 plants. Tomorrow morning, the picket line goes on this entrance, just 2 weeks before the beet harvest, when the factories were due to step up production to 7 days a week. This is the factory with the biggest voting strength. The workers' 3-to-1 rejection of the pay offer here was decisive in bringing out the company's entire workforce tomorrow. In Carlow today, the workers were defending the strength of their support for strike action, saying Labour court decisions had to be honoured, even if only 1% are separating each side. It's expected to be a near record beet harvest this year, worth £200 million. The beet growers say they're the innocent victims caught in the crossfire of this dispute, which they warn could have long-term effects.
Oh, it certainly would. To the sugar industry as a whole here, because the danger of sugar imports, and what we're looking for now is an immediate resolution to this dispute before it puts the beet harvest, which is a perishable crop, in jeopardy, and be serious losses to beet growers and their families and to all of the businesses that are involved in the sugar industry.